When I was, well, the secretary leader is Ramos. May pinakita siya sa akin. You're Duterte, you read this. He went to me. So nakita ko. So I just kept quiet. So, what do you intend to do? So, sir, wala akong pera, sir, talaga. No, I'm not someone. What can you do for your country? So, sir, I'm not the one who should be fixing this. Baka sila mismo sa military and police. So, ano? You have to run. Because you're the only one who can do it. So, ano, sir? Huwag na tayo, do not mess up with me. Tumakbo ka. I refuse. October 16, hindi ako nag-file. Nagalit, bumalik ng Davao. Money? Do you want money? I'll give you a bank. You run. Saan pera, sir? Ay, maghintay ka lang kasi mag-contribute mo yung mga... Pero may binigay siya. Diyan, sa harap ko. Donated by my friends, an elite of mine. The list of the guys here that you have to thank. And so he was pressing me, so nag-substitute ako. So what was my program of government? No corruption in government. I will suppress drugs and crime. So, itong mga human rights, they should have campaigned against me. So how about now the 15 million who voted for me because they want corruption? Stop! Yung mga tanim-tanim bala niya. Isiper kita dyan sa badibag. Mama, Ako yung tao na ordinaryo lang rin. Mga cabinet members ko, puro number 1 ko. Yung akin dyan, baka hindi niya I have assembled the best of men in the Philippines today. Tugade, wag niyo he's a billionaire actually. If you know Art Tugade. When we were students, he was already the CEO of Delgado Shipping. Sunny Dominguez, kababata ko yan. Consistent yan, valedictorian. Okay ang lahat. Yasay. Minsan, akala ko ba, may Amerikano ba dito nagsasalita? Kaibigan, kababata ko rin yan. You know why? He's a son of a pastor. Alam mo, magwawali yan dyan na ano. He learned a lot from his father. Kaya praktisado ang buang sa... kami mga Bisaya lang kasi. So we are forced to... when we were first year, tarato na itong mga Bisaya, titigas ng dila. Then we were forced by the Jesuits, Tineo. So you have to, you understand, you can't have a brass band. Tayo po ganun nga. Come on, guy! Kasi matigas nga ang dila, kaya nga yung lulukuagan niya. Yung mga pareng, yung voice and diction sa first year, napakahirap. Talagang gaganon ka ng pare. Now, follow up, tell me, it's a little kitten sitting in the kitchen. Shoot, ayan. One was the old professor, the law to scold and broke into a copious flow of resources. Ang mga Bisaya, tinawan kami, talagang nabubog kayo na gano'n ng pare. O, totoo. Patanongin mo nang, sige, ang Bisaya kasi matigas. Tell mo ha, I'll give you an example. Itong mga politician, mayroon silang bata-bata. Here is this guy every morning. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the next song you'll hear is from Doris D, singing D by D. Sabi ng nanay ko sa ipapatay mo nga eh. Well, that's life. But let us be clear on this. I am committed by my oath of office. Yung mga victims, they did not start the process that turned out to be bloody. Sila yan. Sila yung nagluto. Sila yung nagpababili. Alam nila na bawal yan. Mahirap ka umayaman. The world turns every 24 hours in a cycle. It will never stop to listen to you of your excuses. Just because mahirap ka lang, yung ganang hanggang ako, kung hindi ako sa gobyerno, ang anak ko ni-rape mong babae, bungog ka sa droga, bubuhayin kaya kita. Yung mga sundalo nandoon sa hulungan, there's fighting raging on ngayon. Sa binuhos ko talaga yung sundalo doon. Pag uwi nila, malaman nila na ang asawa nila o yung nilulang mo sa droga o anak nila, hindi ginalaw mo. Would you think that he could assuage his anger, his hatred by just one dead body? Magwawala yan. Look, ganito yan eh. At the start, talagang pinasok namin yung intriga. Si A, nagturo, luluhin, si B ang nagturo sa iyo. So, hulayaan mo lang. Hulihin mo, let him out. He wants to fix the case, let him. Tapos, we begin to look for B. And si C naman, sabihin namin na si A man na nagpiyait sa iyo. Tapos, hulihin namin, sige, but, you want to bail? Okay. No po. Walang problema. Paglabas, we'll go. So, we sowed intrigues. I got it from reading so many books about mafia. So, it's just sayang walang mafia dito. I could be the head of a very bright na ako dyan sa intriga. And we started. Yung mga balot-balot, it's torture, that's not ours. Maniwala ka. Walang panahon si De La Rosa. Hindi ka niya masuksukla yung buhok niya. Tapos magbalot pa siya ng tao. Just shoot the guy and throw him there. Why do you have to? Ilang oras gawin mo yan? Yan ang trabaho ng kabila. Yan yung torture nila. So, hindi lahat na government, lahat na lang government. That's the drama that's being played out to you. So you choose. Me, I'm a hardliner. Me, I'm ready to kill. Because you destroy my country. I've been telling you, do not destroy this generation. Or if you allow everybody to just come in and invite them to do business sa drug industry, then there is no tomorrow for your grandchildren. You'll end up just like the failed states of South America. Basahin mo yung kay Ian Grillo and how they operated. Led to yung mayor noon, babae, she takes her oath of office in the morning and the afternoon, she's dead. That is why I am in favor of Senator, yung postponement ng election. Because there is a war going on. And, pag ginamit ng mga tatapusin ko muna to sila. So, kakapunin ko to, castrate them, so that they will not, because otherwise, the next thing that you'll realize is that we have a narco-politics. Sabi ko, in 3 to 7 years time, papasok yan. Because of the so many billions. And we have to destroy their lieutenants. If the lieutenants is rich, ay di poor, ay ganun rin. You cannot be selective. This is a war. Actually, my orders to the De La Rosa is destroy them. My orders to the armed forces of the Philippines now fighting the Abu Sayyaf, destroy them. Wala tayong drama dyan sa... Mananapag-usapan na natin yan. Treatment, treatment of prisoners. Not now. We are busy with the... Then we will have a reckoning when the day comes. Ano you will answer? Ako. But let it be known to everybody. Young police, pati military. If I order them to do something against crime and to stop criminality and terrorism, they will have my blessings and I will support them all the way. I will never, never, never allow a policeman, a soldier to go to prison for doing his duty to the country. Fight tayo dyan. Pero yung mga tagdalawang asawa, ikaw ba, ilang asawa mo? Chief Pimpik. Taga Davao ito, pero ngayon, I have not heard. Or if I heard, I did not hear it. So I cannot stay long with your, I'm also invited for dinner, yung mga may tama na mga sundalo. So because it is kagiting, sabi ko, let's have dinner in Malacanang. So I bought so many wheelchairs, give them computers. Here's one lieutenant who lost his eyes, both. Yung umiyak sa TV, yung yumakap sa akin. Sabi ko, do not worry. I will take care of you. I will reinvent you. So it's now learning Braille. Maybe we'll have something, baka sharpen your memory at magkuha ka ng law doon sa San Beda. Kausapin ko yung mga pare. Just if somebody reading to him will find out if he can be of service to his country in another way. Yung AFP, to my horror actually, huwag lang kang ingay sa dating wala silang MRI, wala silang ang building nila was yung drainage bumabalik na. Paano yan? How about the germs? Wala mang drainage na. So sabi ko, you condemn it, then I'll give you a new bill. I gave them almost half a billion pesos. And, sabi ko, let me discuss. Mga negosyante tayo eh. Inato lang tayo, story lang muna. I'm talking to you, I'm not delivering speech. I'll end up 3 minutes. Ganito yan eh. Itong lowest bid, tanggalin natin yan, is the source of all corruption. I will not compromise the armed forces by... Nandito yung kuha, sabihin ko sa'yo, oh my God, I will not follow you. Kasi lahat corruption yan eh. Yung pinakababa, walang kapital yun, laway lang. Mag-imbento ng korporasyon, ng MRT natin, ano yung nangyari sa Krami, nag-express, pagsagot ni, kung siyempre may negosyo ka, tutubo ka, kung patay na. Kasi gusto, bidding. Tama yan eh. Let's look at the bidding. It should be quality first. Ang specification is quality. Durable because it's being used by government. But let's cut this crap of lowest bid. Walang kapital yan. I-subcontract na yan. Tapos yung 20%, alam mo na. Tapos another 20. Would you believe it? Even the barangay captain signs the completion sa barangay niya. So he gets another 2-3%. So ang project mo, kaya ang mga sundalo, sabi ko, ito mga sundalo, one day puputok to. Because they go around the country. Would you believe it, my airport, ang airport, akala ko, dito, sa airport, sir, bakit may building? Parang basketball court. Tinignan ko sa record kompleto. At talo pang naya eh. Kaya ganito yan, yung 100 kilometers, hindi talaga mag-lowest speed ka. Ang dadating sa'yo, it's about 60. Ganun yan. Kung sinong magkabigay, ikarga niya doon sa kanyang contract price. Better disabuse your man itong yung lowest bid. It's the source of corruption. Tapos maraming napailan ng kaso. Ako, pailan mo ako ng kaso, sipain kita. I would not compromise with, there's only two sources, two countries where we can buy the, magbili ka sa iba, lalagyan nila ng bakukang yan dyan. Kikinig sila sa atin 24 oras. Tapos, yun ang lowest bid mo. Kalukuhan. Kaya we have to talk to itong COA. Sometimes, when the integrity of the republic is at stake, do not give a shit about kailangan magbili ng lowest bid. Tapos yung mga baril, nako, there are said only two sources, two countries where we can buy the armaments and especially the gadget for intelligence gathering. I have to inform you this because you must know. Alam ko hindi nyo alam ito, pero I've been with 23 years akong sa gobyerno. 10 years akong prosecutor. 1 term ako congressman. 1 term ako yung vice mayor ako nung anak ko yung nanuntok, yung si Inday. Ganon ang istorya ng buhay ko. But I'm happy that we are here. Ayan yung, kasi pag sinabi na victims of crime and corruption, lahat tayo may tama. Kasi taxpayers tayo lahat eh. But they said, let us give our people a respite sa corruption. I'll give them 6 years. I will be very harsh, very strict. It's only because it is not our own money that we are spending. It's the people's money. So I agree with the vision. And then ang objective, with your vision sa ating country. And I suppose that dapat na tayo kasi maraming, alam mo pag anong tao board na magsige kamot ng kamay kung ano ang kati-kati na lang, I now realize it's time to stop talking. Maraming salamat po.